MagSafe is a proprietary technology developed by Apple that uses magnets to connect and power compatible devices. The technology was initially introduced in 2006 to charge Apple's MacBook Pro laptops, and in 2020, Apple brought back MagSafe for its iPhone 12 lineup. The way it works is quite simple. MagSafe uses a ring of magnets located on the back of an iPhone or other compatible device and a matching magnet on a compatible charging accessory. When the two magnets come close to each other, they automatically snap into place, ensuring proper alignment and maximum charging efficiency. MagSafe also provides a secure attachment for accessories like cases, wallets, and stands, which can be easily snapped on and off the device. In addition to the magnetic attachment, MagSafe technology also allows for fast wireless charging. The magnets ensure a proper and stable connection between the charger and the device, providing a charging speed of up to 15 watts, which is faster than many other wireless charging solutions.